Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you all how to make Hara Bhara Kebab. We have one bunch of blanched and pureed spinach, one boiled potato grated, 100 grams of paneer grated, 2 slices of bread crumbed, 1 tablespoon of green chilies and salt to taste. Mix up all the ingredients together. Keep oil in a karai to heat it for frying. This mixture is well blended. Grease your palms with a little oil. Take a small ball and flatten it. And stick 1 kaju to it. Divide this mixture into 16 to 18 equal balls. Fry it in a very hot oil. The Hara Bhara kebabs are ready. They are looking yummy and are perfect for a cocktail party.